welcome to Craft Live. Today I'm going to show you how to make a bird feeder out of simple supplies because February is National Bird Feeding Month. So some of you may have picked up a kit here at the library. I think we have a few left if you still would like to take your chance and come in to get one for yourself. If you didn't get a kit, then it's really easy to make this. You're going to need cardboard. I'm just using a box. And you're going to need just enough to make a heart. You're going to need some twine or string, a scissors, a paper plate, a spoon, a hole punch, a pen or marker, some peanut butter, and some bird food. So it's very simple. The first thing we're going to need to do is go ahead and make our heart. And of course you could use another shape if you wanted to, but it's February, so we're going to do a heart. The hardest part about this entire craft is probably cutting the cardboard. Okay, and then you need to punch your hole in it for your string. And then you need about a foot of string. It really depends on where you're going to hang it in your tree. Tie you a knot there. Then we're going to cover the cardboard in peanut butter. And this project is perfect for winter because you don't have to worry about the peanut butter going bad while it's outside. During the summer, you can't really leave it out there more than a few days. And I'm going to do one side at a time here. It's just kind of like doing glitter. You put on there as much as you can, and then we'll shake the rest off. And then do the same thing on the other side. If you happen to have a peanut allergy, you could also do this with shortening. Cover that side with some bird seed. If you have two plates, you could even dump it instead of trying to pick it up with your hand. And then that leaves you with a heart bird feeder for National Bird Feeding Month. We also have a display in the library with birds if you'd like to come see it or check out a bird book. Thanks. See you next month.